If you get a flat tire, don't panic. Changing a flat tire is not as hard as you might think. First, find a safe, level place where you can pull your car over to the side of the road, well out of the way of traffic. Put your car in park and set the emergency brake. Turn on your hazard lights, and if it's dark, set road flares. Next, find your spare tire, tire jack, and tire iron. These will often be located together under the floor mat of your trunk, or the spare tire may even be underneath your car. Keep in mind that it's best to know where all of this is before you drive your car anywhere. If your wheel has a hubcap, you'll need to remove it. Next, use your tire iron to loosen the lug nuts of your tire, but don't take them off yet. The next step is using your car jack to raise your car. You want to check your owner's manual for the proper jacking points for your specific vehicle. Place the jack underneath the car and expand it until the tire is completely off the ground. Remove the lug nuts the rest of the way and pull the flat tire off. Then align your spare tire and push it onto the wheel studs. Put the lug nuts back on and tighten them by hand. Don't tighten them all the way just yet. You're almost done. Lower the car jack until the tire just touches the ground. Use your tire iron to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Use your body weight to make sure these are as tight as you can. Then lower the car until the jack is free and remove the jack. Finally, replace your hubcap if you have one. You did it! You're ready to hit the road again.